Very fucking funny productions. Yes. My name is Walscar. Indeed, yes. Oh, that is perfectly fine. The backstory, huh? Good. I can tell you about the backstory. I was about a 4-year-old puppy. I used to run and frolic through the grass, and I used to bite on people's legs. Oh, those legs tasted good. It was this one fat boy. I used to love his leg. Oh, that leg was delicious. I used to gnaw at it. And he used to call my name from across the river. I used to run up on him and lick it. Oh, that leg. It touched me in ways that a leg never touched me before. But I'm getting off topic here. I used to just love that leg. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Oh, that leg. Ooh. Anyway, my superheroine days were when I first came up as a young pup, and I would see people in distress, out there needing help and stuff. So I decided to jump in action. Oh, yes, I was quite the superhero dog. I used to run out there in streets and shit. Yes, indeed, I did. I just run out the streets. And I would catch them. Oh, stop, I would say. Oh, they would just hear me balking. But I knew they knew I was a superhero dog. I would save their lives. No worries. They would get out the street. Some of them have gotten hit before, but no worries. No worries. No one missed them. It would be okay. Have you ever seen a superhero dog fly? What's this? Swoosh! Yes, did you see that? That was stupendous. Did you see how I glided across the street and came back? I didn't leave the room. What the fuck do you mean? I left. I did leave. What's that on your shoulder? It looks like cocaine. Are you a drug dealer? Oh, do not worry. I won't tell anybody a secret. Yeah, it's safe with me. Can I get some? Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Let me get some. Let me get some of that cocaine off your shoulder. I'm a superhero. I need my powers. What? Where do you think they come from? Let me tell you a secret. I love cocaine. Damn it. Just let me get a little bit, please. That's not fair. You're just gonna keep it to yourself, huh? That's okay. That is okay. Trust me. We will meet again. Oh, don't forget, I'm a superhero. I be watching you like Gotham City, nigga. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted, I was saving people. It was one time I remember that there was this little girl named Suzanne. I used to watch her run out into the street every so often. She didn't think anybody seen her, but I saw her. She would cry. Want to play with a little ball out there in the middle of the road, but it was dangerous. It was very dangerous. Yes, Suzanne! Suzanne! I would bark. Come back. She didn't listen. She was a hard-headed little bitch. But it was okay because I had a surprise for her. Indeed, I did. One day, there was a car coming by. And you know what this superhero dog did? Take a guess. I did nothing. I let that little bitch get hit. Indeed, I did. There was no more Susan after that. Oh, yes, that little bitch was all gone. Oh. And the family had a little get together for her and all that. But you know, I never tell. I never tell because I'm a superhero dog. Nobody would know. What about my childhood? Oh, yeah, my parents weren't shit. They were the worst kind of parents you could have. Believe me. That motherfucker never went to work. Never paid a bill. I don't even remember the last time he washed his ass. I would just walk through the house and see water sprinkle off his forehead. I thought it was lice. But it could be anything. It wasn't soap. I know that. It definitely wasn't soap. Did they feed me good? Yeah. You know, here and there, I got snacks and shit. Little things. Ow! What was that noise? Did you hear that? Did you hear it? What was it? I didn't hear it. Huh! Get back. They're getting close.